So in a couple of my shorts, I talked about a 3-foot snake that I saw in the reeds. Those reeds over there. There's your 3-foot snake. I'm gonna get as close as I can so you can see him. There he goes. Back over to the reeds. I don't think I'm going in those reeds again. I can't tell by the shape of the head, but I'm pretty sure it's triangular. He's about to pop his head up again. Yeah, he definitely lives in those reeds. I'm staying out of there. Like, subscribe, allow notifications. I'll let you know if I get bit by a snake.